Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video I said about I'm going to make one more video on tips for the college student to have a productive in my life, guys. So this video is got tips and tricks which I have been following from last 6 months to have my productiveness in my day. So in today's I'm going to share 5 tips, guys, which I have been implementing from last 6 months. I'm going to share it with detailed explanation, guys. Let's get started. So if you didn't check out my last video, I made one video in my last video. I just said about 3 applications which I have been using for past 6 months to have a productiveness in my day. So if you didn't watch the video, link in iCarry, do check out that video and come back to video, guys, to know better understanding about the concepts which I'm going to share in this video, guys. Let's get started. Number 1, guys, prioritize your task list, guys. Let's say for example, if you have, let's say if it is a Monday, guys. In Monday you have task. Let's say you want to clean your room, you want to do your assignments, you want to work for your you want to help your mother, father, what maybe it may be. You just want to gardening, you just house, all this stuff, guys. Just prioritize in your just create one Excel and let's just mention about the priority, important, non-important, and what are the things you have to do complete as soon as possible, so that you won't be getting trouble, guys. Let's say in my opinion. So today when I shouldn't have so many tasks, I'm going to prioritize which is important most for me. So least important I'm going to skip to the bottom, guys. So in today's I just have some few least important. First thing is that I plan to watch a movie, so I just schedule that movie, but I just mention a least thing, guys. So if I complete all the tasks which I mentioned above, so then I'll just proceed to the below tasks, guys. So in your case, just plan your tasks which is more important rather than focusing on the entertainment, guys. Just plan your tasks which is more important, just complete those tasks first, guys. You can use those, a lot of templates in Notion, lot of templates in Excel. Just use the templates and list your priority tasks first, unpriority second, and then list which is most important for you. If you don't do that task, you won't end up trouble, guys. Just complete those tasks first and then move to next task, guys. The first thing I want to share with you. The second tip, guys, don't ever change your plan. Let's start with example, guys. Let's say if you fix all the tasks of Wednesday, so suddenly a friend's call, when a friend calling for some meetup, some movies, random stuff, guys. As your friend is calling for some entertainment stuff, just skip that friend, guys. Just follow your plan. Just follow what you planned before. Don't ever skip the plans and jump into another stuff, guys. So I have seen students, even my friends, so even I was a student, that kind of student before. Now I just changed complete lot, guys. So trust me, guys, just follow your schedule as much as possible. Don't ever skip the tasks which you have been assigned before. It gives more productiveness, guys. So I have been experienced this kind of stuff, so I just want to share this tip, guys. Just follow it. Don't ever make any excuses to skip these tasks. Don't ever run behind entertainment, guys. Just follow all the tasks which have been implemented before. Make a make a belief in yourself. Just follow all the tasks. Skip unwanted stuff, guys. This is the second task I want to share with you, guys. The third tip, guys. So when I say this tip, you want to fight me, I guess. Probably everyone scold at me. I know wake up early, sleep early, guys. So I have seen people working till their night ends. Let's say even my friends are used to work till the night. Guys, I used to work around 3 to 4 a.m. So it's not going to be helpful, guys. So I have seen so many reports in newspaper articles. So many research and scientists predicts and says that so people who works late night, they will end up with some kind of disorders when they get aged, guys. Let's say if you're getting into 40s and 50s, you're going to get trouble in some kind of liver issues, heart problems, kidney issues, brain malfunctions. You have plenty of those kind of stuff, guys. Just avoid late night works and try to complete before 10 p.m, guys. So once 10 p.m, just take half an hour to get ready for your sleep time. Just sleep early and wake up early, guys. The best time I would suggest is that wake up at 5:30 a.m. early and early in the morning and sleep at 10:30 p.m. in the evening, guys. So this is best time I used to follow. So even some cases I won't wake up early in the morning. So random stuff you can ignore, guys. Let's say if in a week, if you want to waking up 5 days in a week and 2 days you are going to skip that, that's not an issue, guys. Just in a week, the maximum days follow as you wake up early and sleep early, guys. So some cases you can leave it out, but I won't recommend as a college student doing stuff at overnight, guys. Just follow the steps. Even I can say as a college student, 5 hours is more than ever, guys. Let's say if you're sleeping at 10:30, you can wake up 4 a.m, guys. That's not an issue. So it depends on the workload, guys. If you have heavy work, try to wake up early and do complete all the tasks, guys. Trust me, guys. The vision and power of the mind which have in morning have you will getting a large amount of energy when compared to night works, guys. Let's say if you're solving some problem in night, you're just taking 1 hour to solve that code or problem, whereas in morning you want to just take half an hour, 20 minutes, guys. So trust me, guys, this is going to be helpful for you. This is the third tip I want to share with you. The fourth tip, guys. like always have a like good vision of yourself, guys. So like I mean like always spend time in yourself. Like I have seen students like spending time on others like that. Just don't follow them, just follow your own vision, guys. So let me share my one of my friend who is my school student. He just used to follow some kind of friends, like what he's doing, what she is doing, what he's up to do, what kind of projects he's going. Just stop like following others, guys. Just be unique and just follow your own like schedule, own like projects, own stuff. Just follow your own stuff, guys. I don't know what's going to happen when you follow other stuff, guys. So like this is going to end up in some kind of like disadvantage in life, guys. Let's say if you're getting into 30s, when you get married, you will at that time you just feel like so much of lost, guys. So like you won't be able to complete all tasks by your own. You just need help. You just need to get some help from others, guys. So don't end up with like taking help from others. Be a unique guy. Just follow all the things which you have in your hands. Just implement it, guys. I know like researchers and even like if you are a God believer, like in Mahabharata, they mention about each and every person who gave birth to this, they have their own uniqueness, guys. You just have your own uniqueness. Just follow that, guys. Don't ever follow the another person's life. Don't be like follower. Be unique, guys. The final tip, guys: spend valuable time in listening podcasts and reading books, guys. So I have seen students like reading like some kind of not necessarily articles in WhatsApp or messages Instagram. You can spend like at least 20 minutes reading a newspaper or else reading a books, guys. So why I'm saying books are so important, just when you're reading something, your mind rotates on the topic which you're reading, guys. It just improves imagination power, which is going to implement your life for better purpose of a cater, guys. Let's say if a person has good imagination, he'll end up in bright future, guys. So even in my case, whenever like I'm doing some kind of problem solving coding, I just imagine like the whole compile runs in my mind, guys. I just imagine what kind of process, what kind of error if I get this, if I use this kind of output strings, input strings, if I use data types. Just in same thing, whenever reading books, I just imagine what kind of characters the author is trying to say with us, what kind of stuff the author is trying to say us, what kind of drawbacks, advantage author is trying to say us, guys. So just like spend 20 minutes in a day reading like some useful stuffs, not unnecessary stuff, guys. So then coming to podcast, guys. So I know like as an Indian citizen, even I used to face a lot of difficulty understanding the British English and US English, guys. Like because like our mother thing is about like Indian culture. We have like various amount of languages in our countries. Let's say I'm a Telugu guy, so I want like it gives like it gives like a lot of time to understand those kind of languages, guys. Just try to spend listening some kind of foreign authors podcast. Just listen to podcast. And like one more thing I want to add, whenever listening to podcast, just don't listen and just like don't forgive, guys. So when after listening, just like let's say like if you're listening some kind of podcast which in business words, so after completing podcast, just like take your laptop and on your notepad and just mention what are things you listen from that guy. It keeps like track of your mind, guys. It just like improves your mind power, memory power, guys. So the trick which I've been following from last 3 months. So this is trick which I got from Jim Quick Biggs. He's like a brain coach, guys. He has perfect solution for all kind of this kind of activities. I used to follow him here, guys. If you want this kind of tips, you can even you can follow Jim Quick official page. They have Insta, even like have a podcast in Spotify, Amazon Prime. Yes, guys, you can follow like if you want to get kind of tips with him, guys. So these are 5 tips I want to share with you, guys. I hope this video helps you. Even I have like much more tips on productive, guys. So if you want to make this kind of videos and do comment in comment box, I'll try to make videos happen, guys. So in my channel I have around like 6 videos, I guess, on productive tips. So do check out that video. It might be helpful for you, guys. Even I made one video on like how to wake up early in the morning. So if you're personally who feel lazy to wake up in the morning, do check out that video, guys. Link in iCat. That's it from today's video, guys. Before ending the video, make sure to follow me, make sure to subscribe my channel, and even do join the Discord channel, guys. So as I said before and last videos, we have like plenty of events on the way, guys. Already we started around like 10 events. So do join us, guys. We have like free courses coming on the way. So don't miss the opportunity. Do join, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.